What up, fam? Today we learn how to use this stitching awl on leather. Stay tuned. I got this sewing awl from Tandy Leather and it is my new favorite tool. Let's check it out. So it consists of a needle, a chuck to hold it, a bobbin for your thread, and a hollow handle for storage. Opening the handle, we can see that it comes with a tool for the awl, as well as a good amount of needles. Oh, and the needles themselves are actually special. They have this little groove for the thread to be able to run through that ends in the eye, which is just below the point. Okay, so to remove this bobbin, all we have to do is take out the screw holding it in place with the provided tool. Now you can switch it out for other colors or refill as needed or whatever. Alright, so to get ready to sew, just pass the thread through the chuck at the top. Then put the bobbin back in place and secure it with that keeper screw. Next, I pull the thread to one side and insert the needle, being sure that that groove lines up with where the thread's coming out. Now just pass the thread through the eye of the needle. Just make sure it's on the side of the needle that has the groove. Finally, just tighten everything in place with the provided tool. At this point, we're ready to start sewing. Okay, so start by pushing the awl through your first stitch hole, and then pull it back, leaving a loop. Now just pull the tail of the thread all the rest of the way through. You're going to want this tail to be a few inches longer than the entire area you're trying to stitch. Okay, so after pulling that to length, drive your awl through the next hole. When you pull it back, you can see this small loop of thread is left behind. Take your tail end and pass it through that loop. Then just pull both sides tight to form a secure lock stitch. Now simply repeat this process all the way down the line, forming little loops, then passing the tail through those loops to lock it into place. With practice, you can actually get to be really fast with this. Okay, so when you reach the end, simply backstitch a couple of holes to finish everything off. Then cut away the excess thread and melt the ends. This leaves a nice looking, super clean, strong stitch. I love this tool. Let me know if you give it a try and what you think. In the meantime, though, keep leveling up, you.